In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multiple choice quiz in Google Forms easily. This process is quick and straightforward, ensuring that you can create a professional looking quiz in no time. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to formsgoogle.com. This is where you will begin creating your quiz. You'll see some template options, but for a completely fresh start, go ahead and click on the blank form icon represented by a plus sign. This will create a new, untitled form for you to work with. With your blank form open, it's time to enter some details about your quiz. Click where it says Untitled Form at the top and enter a title for your quiz. This could be anything relevant to your topic. Don't forget to add a description as well. This section allows you to provide instructions or context that might be useful for your participants. Next, focus on entering your first question. Click on Untitled Question and type in your quiz question. As you type, consider how the question aligns with your quiz goals. Is it clear and concise? You want to ensure your participants can easily understand what you're asking. Once your question is ready, look to the drop-down menu on the right of the question area and select Multiple Choice. This setting is perfect for quizzes where you want participants to choose the best answer from a list of given options. Now it's time to add your answer options. Click on the text field that says Option 1 and type in the first possible answer. Use the Add Option button to create additional slots for more answers. Be sure to include all possible choices that you think are pertinent. Now that the question and answers are set, let's configure the quiz settings. Go ahead and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the settings menu. Navigate to the Quizzes tab and toggle on the switch that says Make this a quiz. Enabling this will activate the quiz features, allowing you to assign point values and correct answers. After that, select Answer Key to indicate which answer is correct. You can also assign how many points each question is worth by clicking in the box next to your question. Once you've made these selections, click Done to close the Answer Key setup. With your first question complete, you might want to continue adding more questions. Simply repeat the previous steps for each additional question you want to include in your quiz. Once you've finished adding all your questions, the final step is to share your quiz with others. Click the Send button at the top right corner. You have multiple options here: email, link sharing, or even embedding into a website. Choose the method that best suits your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a multiple choice quiz using Google Forms. This straightforward method ensures your quiz is ready to be shared and taken by participants smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and happy quizzing.